How are ya? I would never do that again. But if you know who says that, comment it down below. So yes, P.S. It's a wig. Period. Then I just magically grew my hair and changed it overnight. It's a wig. But in today's video, I'm gonna be cleaning my room for college. Cause I leave in about 2 weeks, and I need to clean my room because it's like freaking disgusting. Like, really disgusting. I promise you, my room is not always this dirty. Okay, it's probably a little bit of a lie. I'm not the cleanest person, but I'm not a very nasty person. I just don't clean my room too often, but I clean it often enough. It's a love-hate relationship. But in today's video, that's what I'm going to be doing. So if you don't follow me on my social medias, my Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram will be linked down below in the description box if you want to follow them. And if you like more videos like this, college related or back to school related, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our family because I love every one of you guys. And if you are subscribed today, don't forget to turn on them post notifications so you can be notified every time I post, because I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. So yeah, it's turning 11 o'clock at night and I'm finna clean my room. But before I clean my room, I'm taking off this wig and we're switching clothes because I need to be comfortable and put on some good vibes. So I see you later. And you got me like that. What you want from me? What you want from me? And I tried, but our place too high. Baby, you got me like that. Okay, clothes are changed, wig off, makeup still on, but take that off later. I'm gonna find my bonnet though, because I put my bonnet on because this baby is not a look. This is for the wig, not for y'all to see. Even though y'all gonna be seeing it. Gonna put on some YouTube videos, have that play on my Google Chrome while I clean and record. So this is like time lapsing or somewhat clean my room. Make it look way better than what it looks like right now, because right now it looks like I live somewhere else, not here, because baby disgusting and that's on period. So let's just hop right into it. Time for cleaning. Yay! Internally, I'm dying. Can you hear me? Oh, shit. Can you hear me?
Pretty much all the comments in that video was saying how you guys really wanted to see everything that I got. If you guys
Can you hear
like
me?
these videos, make sure to hit the thumbs up.
I'm definitely insane. I think I'll be like 8 and what though.
For sponsoring this video.
done with cleaning my room. I just need to clean off my dressers. So I'm going to continue this video tomorrow in the morning when I wake up, because I'm really tired and I need to go to bed because I do have work tomorrow. So yeah, but I'm going to go to bed and finish my room tomorrow, because all I have to do is literally clean off my dressers. I cleaned my floor, so the hard part is done. The hard part is cleaning my dresser and my desk, because so much stuff gets built up there of just random stuff. So I need to go through that stuff and get rid of some stuff, go through my makeup, get rid of some of it, or figure out which makeup that I'm leaving here, which makeup I'm taking to college, because I've accumulated so much freaking makeup. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the morning.